In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to personalize your Zoho mail experience by changing its appearance settings. Whether you want a fresh new look or simply prefer a different color scheme, I'll guide you through this simple process to make your mailbox truly your own. Let's get started. First things first, grab your device and log in to your Zoho mail account. Once you're on the main dashboard, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll see a gear icon. This is your gateway to the settings. Click on that icon and it will open up a panel where you can manage various aspects of your account. Now, on the left sidebar of the settings panel, you'll notice a section labeled Mail Settings. Within this section, you will find an option called Appearance. Go ahead and click on Appearance because this is where all the magic happens in terms of mail customization. Once you're in the appearance settings, the first thing you'll encounter is the Theme section. This is where you can decide how your Zoho mail looks. There are a few options here, including the light theme, the dark theme, and the system default. The light theme is great if you enjoy clean and bright visuals, while the dark theme is perfect for those late nights or if you enjoy a sleeker look. If you choose the system default, Zoho Mail will match the theme settings of your device, providing seamless integration with your existing environment. Beyond the basic themes, you also have the option to select accent colors and different layout styles. This is a fantastic way to ensure that every detail of your inbox matches your style and preference. Play around with these options. You might find a combination that is not just visually appealing, but also enhances your user experience. An important thing to note is that any changes you make here are applied instantly. This means you can see the results of your tweaks right away without the hassle of clicking a save button or refreshing your page. So take your time experimenting and don't worry about making a mistake. Simply make a selection, and if it's not quite right, you can easily switch to a different option. And there you have it. You've just customized your Zoho Mail appearance settings to better suit your taste. Remember, a personalized experience can make managing your emails not just more efficient, but more enjoyable as well. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has made your Zoho Mail experience a bit brighter and more in line with your personal style. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more useful tips and tricks. Have a fantastic day.